Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to cancel Goodybag Giffgaff. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Giffgaff, you can use the link in the description and you can get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Giffgaff website, what I'm going to do now is to, order my free SIM or activate my SIM. So right here on the account page, you will see all of that. And if you want to purchase, you can just buy goodie bag from branches or physical branches, or you can just purchase goodie bag on online, and you just need to order your free sim right here, and that's how you can order a goodie bag. And if you want to cancel your goodie bag, you just need to find the your goodie bag information under your account settings. So actually, you can find your goodie bag right under your account settings. So as you can see on the screen, your get the SIM or order your free SIM will be removed, and it will be replaced by your goodie bag information. And right there, you can just cancel your goodie bag information. And yeah, that's it. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.